JavaScript already has a method on array which represents the mapping operation. It doesn't, however, have a map global function such as I'd have in Python. Let's implement one so we can better understand how map works. First of all, we're going to need a sample array, and let's call this our sample array. And let's also write a little test. Now, the way this is going to work, since it's going to be a global function instead of being a method, is our function is going to receive two parameters, the array and the transformation we want to apply to the array. So console.log map, we're just going to call it map, of sample array and some sort of transformation, that is some sort of function, and in our case we're going to give it an arrow function which is going to double each element. Now we're also going to implement map as an arrow function, so we're going to have map of array and transformation. Now, map is supposed to work like this. It's going to apply the transformation to each element of the source array in order to obtain a destination array. Now we're going to start with a destination array, which we're going to call result, which is going to be an empty array. And for each element of the source array, we're going to populate the result array with a transformed element. And at the end, we're just going to return our result. So this is our function. All that's left is to test it out, and we can see that it works.